Hey y'all, it's Hamsky. Just wanted to show the Rugged Tools tool roll, all loaded up, ready to get tossed in the back of my pickup. We got all that. So up top we got a bunch of batteries. You never know when you're gonna need batteries, you know. Trusty dusty Maglite with the LED swap on there. And the red lens, just because I had it and I just keep it all in one spot, and then a cheap headlamp, and that's all in the top pocket. I still don't have the little zipper on the outside or the little zipper up top, that one or that one full. And then in here we got some pliers, we got some little lineman's pliers, wire strippers / cutters, regular old slip joints, some little mini needle noses. And then we got little slip joints, we got a pair of dikes, and then we got this combo anvil screwdriver set that I actually really like. This screwdriver set. It was like 12 bucks at Home Depot. I bought it when I was still living in the barracks and didn't have a lot of room, and worked out really well. I use it all the time. I got the old M12 ratchet impact, or just ratchet, I guess. I need to get batteries for this. I got it as a gift, and I never bought any batteries for it. So I think I can fit this with the battery on it, and then another one in there. And the Milwaukee chargers, the one that I have charges M12 and M18, so that'll all work out just fine. And then down here, we got our 1/2-inch socket. I got a breaker bar on my pickup. We got I think it's an 8-inch extension, 4-inch extension, 6-inch extension, and then a 2-inch extension, and then a whole bunch of impact sockets down in there. I'm not going to pull all those out. It's a full set, up to 1 inch, I think. And that's the goal is to get a 1/2-inch impact, but we'll see where that goes. Got the little mini Husky 1/4 and 3/8 drive. Got one of these. These are Crescent socket set. So it's got, I don't remember how many teeth, but it's got a bunch of teeth. Like, it's got a little more play than I would like, but it's low profile, so you can get into a lot of places that you couldn't get with, say, you know, this socket, because you're gonna have, you know, just looking at the side profiles. What size is it? Well, here, I'll just grab one of these. That's a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. These are all my 1/2 inch. Here we go. What is this? 5/8. Let's see here. Probably should have staged this, but this Crescent sets standard and metric. So here's the difference here in for the same size bolt or nut, whichever one. So it's quite a bit of difference there. This gives you a little bit more able to get into some places. And then I have a standard. This is TEQ Tech. I think I got it from a buddy of mine that's a mechanic that upgraded to Snap-on. He just kind of gave me all of his old tools. We got a spark plug socket. This is also Tech. Got an extension. And I need to throw the rest of my 3/8 sockets in here. But I got this Crescent set, like I showed you. And it's a full set from, I think, 3/8 all the way up to 3/4, 19 mil, 7/8. So probably goes up to 1 inch, but just kind of toss them all in there. And I got a little more room in this slot, so I'll probably end up adding. I'll probably just go buy another set, because this is nice to have in your workshop. It's handy to have. And I was going to throw a Crescent in there. That's what I forgot. I'll throw that in with the hand tools. I wish I had a good way to label these, but my label maker's self-adhesive and it ain't gonna adhere to this canvas. But we'll toss that in the old pickup truck and see where it all goes. It's pretty heavy, and like the handles aren't popping or ripping or nothing. I'm kind of impressed, to be honest. But it's nice to have everything organized in one little spot, because if I threw all this crap in a toolbox, it'd be quite a bit larger than this, I think, because you know, it's too much stuff to fit in one of the, do I have one around here? One of those little hobby tool chests. I got one somewhere. And it's not enough stuff to fill up like a big Homer box, wherever that thing went. So I had it all in this. And the handle broke, and so I just put a piece of paracord on there, and it's not very conducive to carrying. But this, you know, it's heavier than snot, but it ain't too bad, and it's a lot more organized than it was in that thing. I'll probably get some socket holders and a full 1/4 inch set, and then a full like regular 3/8 set, and toss them in there and get those batteries, and we'll be sitting pretty, break down the side of the road, I think. So that pretty much covers up that. What I'll probably end up building some kind of an apparatus in the pickup underneath the topper. I got a topper on my pickup, so I can hang this. So when I'm working on stuff, I can pull it out of my drawer, because I built drawers in the back of my pickup, hang it up there, and have everything, you know, easy to get to, kind of thing. So that pretty much sums up this video. It's nice, short, and sweet, comparatively speaking. Actually pretty impressed with this. I figured once I had it loaded up, the threads would start popping, and it would end up proving that it wasn't worth the crap. But it seems to be pretty dang sturdy, to be honest. Like, if I put half of that in this one, I guarantee you the handles would rip off, because they're single stitched. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. They're single stitched. They're not stitched to the zipper stitching, and there's only one buckle on there, so the sides would be all ugly and gross looking. This is going to end up with some fix-it sticks and some batteries and some pens and probably some extra toiletries and that kind of stuff, and get tossed in my backpack that I carry for work. And then, you know, when I'm planning on going on an elk hunt next year, this will go on the bottom of that, so if my gun breaks or scope screws up or something, I got everything I need in here to work on it with those fix-it sticks. Those things are pretty neat. I don't have them yet. When I get them, I'll post a video up, but yeah, so thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything y'all think I should do different, as far as this goes, or as far as the videography goes. But thanks. Have a good day.